What is the usage of help function and dir function in Python? So, help and dir function are accessible from the Python interpreter and used for viewing a consolidated dump of built-in functions. Basically, the help function is used to display the documentation string and also facilitates you to see the help related to modules, keywords, attributes and all. So, here you see, if you will just write help and this print function, you can see all these details. Okay. Then what about this dir function? This dir function is an inbuilt function in Python 3 which is used to display properties and methods of object passed as an argument. Here object can be any function, modules, strings, list and all, right. So, here you see I have a list my underscore list, and then what I am doing is inside print, inside the dir method, I am passing this my list as a argument. Okay, and then I can see what are the inbuilt functions available for that. Okay, you can see this add, class, all these things, right, till reverse and sort. So, that is the usage of your dir function. Okay, we will move to the next question. What is the difference between range and X range? We will learn about this question in our next video. Thank you.